Good day, everybody. How to fix car tire always lose air and always kind of low pressure, like you have to add air every 3-4 days. This one, see, I add air every, you can see here the pressure, see it's 20 psi, sometimes drop to up to 16, and I keep adding air every week or so, but now it's time to fix it. First, we need to jack up the car. And first, let's lose this a little bit. We're gonna remove the tire, and we have to inspect it because there is very small, tiny hole. We put the safety stand jack. Okay. Remove the bolt. Take the tire out. Now we will spray some water and soap water to see where the leak is. To make sure to find out the leak, we have to fill this with air. So to fill it to the maximum psi pressure. It is 32 psi. So now we can check for where the leak is. So now this is just water and a little bit dish soap, and spray a little bit here and check for leak. Okay, so I don't see any leak on the top of the tire. Let's check the leak on the side of the rim. You can also check a little bit here. Here's the leak. See that? This is probably the worst leak. See that? Very tiny little bit. And that's what making the tire goes always below the, you need to add air every like 3-4 days, and so look at that. See here, there's no leak. That's the leak. Let's check this side. No leak in this side. So the only leak is this one. Now we're gonna fix this leak. We need something like that to release the air from the tire. You can always do like that to be safe, because this is gonna be safe. So after we release the more pressure of the tire, now it's safe to remove the inner valve, the valve. And you need something like this. We have to replace this we can repair this or replace it, and those are comes handy by replacing this. And so first we need to remove the tire, and you need okay, so the good thing to have this tire changer, and this one I got it from Prince's Auto. It was on sale for $70, but that's what it does the job for those tires. Now all you need to replace this tire here, lift up this one, place the tire here, and then put this one like that, and then use this bar, hook it up here until the tire pop up. See? And a little bit more. You can also adjust this thing here. You can adjust it to the hole over here so it does not slip or anything. Let's put it in the center here. Okay. Now let's give it a try. Okay, so you need, come here, come this way, come this way. So you need to put this one a little bit in here. You see this thing here? See this one? That's what the rim sits here, and keep a distance. Don't push the tire too much this way. And that's what all we need. That's it. Basically, this is how much I need to get this one out. Now this thing, it can also be repaired. So I'll show you. Like this one, you can apply some glue or epoxy or anything but it's best to replace it since it's leaking. So let's replace this, and you need a flat screwdriver to get this out. So let's get this one out. So after we struggle a little bit, now it's time we have to clean this very good. We have to clean it and put some DW40 before we installing the new one, because we don't want to damage the new one. Here's the almost the same, pretty much same size. And now it's time to clean this one from out and inside and outside. You can use this a little bit to clean it. Let's clean from here, inside. Okay, that's good. It's time to put this new one in. A little bit DW40, a little bit here. this is the same tool we're going to be using to pull the new one. The new one, we need to put it like that, see, and then we have to pull until this locked in. Now, that's it. Good. All done. See? It fits nice and easy. While you pulling, you twist it a little bit and then you pull. That's how, see? Now, time to put everything back. Okay. Now, we need to add a little bit tire lubricant in this edge, and we have to remove this one here, the valve, the inside valve. This one. A little bit tire lubricant. If you don't have tire lubricant, you can use vegetarian oil. Cooking oil should work. We remove the inside the valve. Now it's time to add quick air inside this, like that. If it did not work first time, try to lift the tire up, push the rim evenly, like that, then try again. A little bit on this side, you see that? Close this hole until the compressor filled, and then we'll try again. Oh, good. When you hear that sound, that means the tire is set. It's good. Now it's time to put this back. Okay, be careful, hold it. Tight it. Don't tight it too much, you know. That's good. Just the pressure, PSI, right now is 23. I need to add more air. Test. 29. So this one takes Here it says on tire maximum load 750 kilogram, and the maximum pressure, air pressure, it's 44 psi. We don't want to do 40. We need like to put about around 33. However, the air pressure tire changes like summer and winter. If it's winter, you might have to drop the psi to maybe like 30 or 25 or so. It depends on the road condition. I usually do always about up to 33 or 32. So we are at 29. We're just gonna add a little bit more, and then we test. $34. $33. Good. Now let's test if there is any leak. Now it's time to test. This is the one we just did. Perfect. No leak. Check the edge, tire rim. No leak. The other way, check this side. No leak. All done. That's how you fix tire losing air slowly. And the problem was sometimes it's leaking from here. I put the link description for other repair tricks and tips you can do at home. You can watch those videos too. Removing it and install new one, and it's done so easy. So you can do this at home, DIY. Don't spend much money or losing a lot of money going to the repair shop, because this definitely they will charge you maybe over 100 or so. That's done within like pretty much almost 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time. Now it's time to put it back. Now, when we put the car down, we will do the torque for those rim tire bolts, all 5 of them. It is important to torque those bolts at the right. For this 2004 Toyota Sienna, it is 76. Let's do this one first, like that, and then we'll do the torque. One, two, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Watch, drive safe, do it yourself, watch more videos, and please support our channel. All the best. Hope to see you next time.